Hey everybody, it's Ken Birdsall here from KB Cars. Today I'm at Spitzer Chevy in Amherst, Ohio, and I'm going to show you what's new on the new 2020 Malibu. Make sure you stick around. There's 4 things you really need to know if you're in the market searching for the right one. I'm going to tell you what's new from 2019 versus 2020. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put those down below. Be glad to help. Alright, so first up we're going to talk about colors. A very important thing. A lot of people like to know what are my options. We're looking at a 2019 on the left, 2020 on the right. And a couple of these colors, 3 to be exact, are going to be going away after the 2019. You will not be able to get them out of 2020. And one of those is right in front of us. That's the Pacific Blue. It was new for 2019. It got great reviews. It was a real hit. Everybody loved it. Sad to see that one go, but it is one of them. Sandy Ridge Metallic. It's been around for a couple years. That one's going away. And Iridescent Pearl is that tri-coat color. That is going away on the 2019s. And, or on the 2020s is going to be going away. And Dark Atmosphere Medium Ash Leather. That was an option on your Premier interior. That's going away. Now this one is Shadow Gray. That is not a new color. It is going to be obviously continuing for 2020. But they're going to get a new gray. It's called Stone Gray Metallic. Haven't seen this one yet. We'll see what that's going to be compared to this one here. There is obviously Silver Ice still going on, so I don't know if it's going to be maybe even darker than Shadow Gray. And the other one is Black Cherry Metallic. That's probably going to be like your burgundy color. Black Currant Metallic is a current color. You might compare that one too. But those are your new color options on the new 2020 Malibu. Alright, so second is what's coming new on the hybrid trim level. I shouldn't really say new, it's more just what's standard now. So the convenience and technology package, as well as the driver confidence package 1 and driver confidence package 2 that were available options, are now standard on every hybrid. So some great safety and convenience options. You don't have to pay extra for them now, they're just standard on it. We're starting to see that. If you haven't checked out my 2020 Equinox video, safety, convenience, technology, all of these things are becoming more and more important to GM and to their customers. So cool to see that. Check out the hybrid. If you got one around you, they're very hard to find, but take a look for those. I think it'll be worth your while. Alright, so the third thing we're going to talk about is wheel changes. There's only one thing really changing. Everybody knows or is more familiar with the LS, LT, and Premier trim levels. Not a lot of people know about the L trim level. It's a very hard to find. It's usually in the realms of about 5% of total production for the model. Very hard to find. They're very base vehicles, and they typically have a 16-inch steel wheel on the L trim, but now they're going to get these nice 16-inch aluminum wheels as a standard feature on the L trim. So that's not a huge change, but something if you are available, if you can find one of those L's, they're a little bit less expensive, and you don't have to go with the regular steel wheels and hubcaps. You can get the nice 16-inch aluminums. Alright, last up are some name changes in the safety category. Nothing's changed in the technology, just the name. So if you're shopping and you're looking out a window and you're like, wow, I don't remember seeing this before, be aware it's not anything new, but it's just called something new. So if your salesperson calls it something different, it's okay. It's in a transition period, but it all does the same thing. That's your low speed forward automatic braking is now called automatic emergency braking. Forward automatic braking is now called enhanced automatic emergency braking. Probably a name change just to take away some of the liability issues, I'm sure, because people assumed it did things that it didn't do just by its name. So some good changes there from GM, just being proactive on that, hopefully avoiding some issues. But just be aware of those changes as you're shopping, as you're looking at window stickers, as you're looking at catalogs and brochures online, just so you're aware of what's going on. Not a new feature, just a name change. But that's the new 2020 Malibu is right here. This one is at Spitzer Chevy in Amherst. You have a link to their website down below if you want to see their inventory, or you can give me a call at 440-988-4444. I'd be glad to help you with a test drive, answer any questions you might have. Please subscribe, share this video, make any comments down below with any questions, and you guys have a great day.